Today we're working on the D minor scale. Welcome back. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. Today we're continuing our minor scale series. We're doing D minor today. We did C minor last time, and I'll post that in the comments if you'd like to check that one out. We're doing all three forms of minor, starting with natural, then going to harmonic, and then finally finishing with melodic. If you want my fingerings, those are on Patreon, and we would love to have you in our community there. So let's get into it. I also post the timestamps for if you want to skip ahead to one of the minor scales in the comments as well. So right now we're doing minor. This scale shares a key signature with F major, which has one flat in it, and that's a B flat. So essentially we're playing all natural notes aside from B flat. We're going to hold each note out for 4 beats, and I'll call out the notes before we get to them. So we're starting on our lowest D, which is first finger on the C string. E. F. G. A. B flat. C. D. Back down. So another way to think about any natural minor scale is that you're starting on the relative major. We talked about this, or how to find this, when we did the C minor scale. So if I go up 3 half steps from my starting pitch, so my starting pitch here is D. If I go up 1, 2, 3 half steps, I get F. F major is the relative major of D minor. So I could think about playing an F major scale, but I just start on D. It will turn out to be the same notes. So we just did that one for 4 beats. We're going to do it now for 2 beats. And as we mentioned in that previous minor scale, try to think ahead to the pitch before you hear it. Is it a whole step or is it a half step? I have a whole step between D and E, half step between E and F, etc. So try to hear that pitch before you play it. Same scale, just 2 beats per bow. Ready? Go. D. E. F. G. In C minor, I'm going to put a drone on. I'm going to drone the note D, that is the first pitch of our scale, or the tonic, and I'm going to do 1 beat per bow, and I'm really going to focus on tuning to that D drone. So 1 beat per bow, same scale. Ready? Go. natural minor scale. The next form of minor we're going to do is harmonic minor. And if you remember from the C minor scale, this one is the one that has the augmented second in it. So I'm starting out the same. It's D, E, F, G, A, B flat, and then C sharp. And I'm going to advocate on the G string when you play that B flat, C sharp, that you use a low 2 for B flat and a low 4 for that C sharp. It's going to be really, really difficult to reach from low 2 to high 3. So if you think of it like D flat, that's going to get you a much better in tune note. When we do that second octave and it's on the A strings between B flat and C sharp, you should be able to reach that 1, that really low 1 to that high 2. And we do want to make that augmented interval feel wide. So my low 1 B flat is going to sit a little bit low. My C sharp is going to sit a little bit high. Those are tendency tones, and they kind of make us feel like either I want to go down or up to resolve them. So same idea, we'll do 4 beats per bow on this new minor. This is harmonic minor, and I'll call out those funky notes when we get them. The only thing you have to remember that's different is that it's a C sharp from natural minor. So 4 beats per bow. Ready, go. E, so we're going to do that scale, same idea, just 2 beats per bow, and really watch out for that augmented interval. Make it really, really wide. 2 beats. Ready, go. Scale just a little bit faster. We're going to go faster still. I'll put my D drone back on, and again we're really focusing on trying to match that sound of the tonic. 1 beat per bow. Ready, go. Last but not least, we have our melodic minor scale, and this one's kind of a combination of natural minor and something else. So on the way up, the only thing that changes from a D major scale is that we play F natural. So on the way up, it's D, E, F natural, G, A, B natural, C sharp, D. And on the way down, it's natural minor, and that's the one that shares that key signature with F major. So on the way down, it's D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. So let's, same idea, we'll do that for 4 beats, 2 beats, and then 1 beat. Starting on our lowest D, 4 beats, ready, go. E, F, G, A, B natural, C sharp, E, F natural, G, A, B natural, C sharp, D, back down is C natural, B flat, F natural, C natural, B flat. So as you can see, that one's kind of a hybrid of two different forms of minor. And the names, if I didn't mention it in the last video, harmonic has that weird augmented interval. That's usually if we're harmonizing or playing an accompaniment, the form that we would use. And then the melodic form is what we would use for a melody. And that's the kind of default setting. If we say play a minor scale, our default setting is going to be that melodic minor scale, because we're often, well, not as violas, but oftentimes we get to play melodies, and that's the form of minor that we would use. Same scale, 2 beats per bow. Ready, go. I hope this video helped you with your D minor scales. If you have any questions or things that I didn't address in this video, please post those in the comments below. I really enjoy trying to help from afar. Next time we're going to move on to E minor, so stay tuned for that one. And as always, happy practicing.